How to download Windows 11 ISO file in your PC or laptop. Welcome to Jojo Tech. I will guide you to download ISO file of Windows 11. Open Chrome browser and follow the steps. Now click this first link of Microsoft. Now download this Create Windows 11 Installation Media tool. Now, right-click and run as administrator. Give permission yes. You are doing great. Now follow these steps properly. Now click Accept. Now you can choose your language and edition. Here you have to choose ISO file and click Next. Set location where you want to save your ISO file. Now it's progressing your download. It may take about half an hour to complete. IT depends on your internet speed, processor, or GPU etc. I am going to forward this video. Now click Finish and go to your download folder. This is downloaded ISO file of Windows 11. If this video helped you, then please support me by share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.